channel of English Literature. Today I will share with you an interesting story by R.K. Narayan, that is Leela's Friend. So before starting the story, I want to request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will receive the notifications when I upload the next story. I uploaded the stories on the alternative days, and please see my other videos. So let's get started. So, this story, Leela's Friend, was also published in the collection of Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayan. This story, the basic theme of this story is poverty, class conflict, betrayal of trust, and injustice. So, we will see how R.K. Narayan describes these themes in Leela's Friend. So, once there was a Leela in the village of Malgudi. He was 5 years old and his father name was Shiv Shankar. So his father was searching a servant for Leela and also for the house. So he want the servant for the house and also for Leela, who can make the household works and also can play with Leela. So one day Sita came to Shiv Shankar house, and we also see in the textbooks these stories. So you will also enjoy it when I translate it in for you. So he was searching it for Leela, a servant. One day Sida came to his house. So Sida was basically a criminal. So let's find out how he became best friend of Leela, and how in the end he was described only as a criminal, not as a friend but as a criminal. So when Sida came to his house, he said he did household works in the previous houses. So he was appointed in the house for as a servant, and he was given a job to play with Leela also. Leela was very happy when someone came to play with him, and he did household work Sida, and in the free time he played with Leela. Leela, as I told you, is a 5-year-old girl, and he played with Leela. He told stories, and Leela was very much interested in stories, and he taught tricks of nature to Leela also. And Leela was very excited, and he became his best friend. Sida became the best friend of Leela, and he played tricks. He taught tricks of nature to Leela, and also played with him. And when Leela became teacher, and Sida became student, and but Sida was not a literate person, and he was little interested in learning, and he was interested in playing only with Leela. And at night also Sida told stories to Leela also, and Leela had a habit of listening the stories from Sida. So one night he was telling the story to Leela, and after some time it was informed that Leela's chain was missing. And so what was there? When news came, Leela's chain was stolen. So what was there? So here lies the poverty, conflict of poverty is there. He was a poor man, and the suspect was on him that he has stolen the chain. So betrayal of trust was there, class conflict was there. As I told you, Sida was a poor man, and the suspect was there that he has stolen the chain of Leela. And police came and arrested Sida. And after 4 days, the news came that Sida from the beginning was a criminal, and in the houses whom he had worked, he has stolen many things. And after 4 days, when police came with the Siddha to the house of Shiv Shankar, he told that he has not stolen the chain of Leela, but no one believed in him. No one believed in Sita that he has not stolen the chain of Leela, and here lies the poverty, class conflict, betrayal of trust. And these themes are very beautifully described uh, in the story in Leela's friend. And at the end, it was described by R.K. Narayan that Leela's chain was there in the tamarind tree, and it was found at last in the tamarind tree. And Sita has not stolen the chain of Leela, and so we came to know that what he Sita did for Leela, he did wholeheartedly. He did not betray the trust of Leela. He was the best friend of Leela. He was honest also. But in our society, here lies the class conflict. Though Sita wanted to clear that he has not stolen the chain, but no one believes in him. And no one in our society believes in poor people, and we always has सस्पेक्ट ऑन पुअर पीपल. तो हम लोग हमेशा ही शक करते हैं गरीब लोगों पर. तो वी ऑलवेज सस्पेक्ट ऑन पुअर पीपल. एंड सो दीज थिंग्स आर ब्यूटिफुली डिस्क्राइब्ड: betrayal of trust, poverty, class conflict. I hope you will also like how I describe the story. And the moral of the story is poverty is a curse. So I hope you will also write in the comments what can be the other moral of the story after listening to it. And hope to meet you soon in the next story. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will receive the notifications when I upload the next story. And please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel. Hope to meet you soon.